So many times I try to do new things. I go to my parents sometimes, and there's like, छोड़ जो कर रहा है वही करता रहे. It happens like that sometimes.
First and foremost, it's my mantra. If no one thinks you can, then you have to.
सोमवार की सुबह में एक बार फिर आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है. मेरा नाम है मोहित नारंग और आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं. हर नेम इज अनुभा वालिया एंड शी रन्स अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड प्रिज्म. अनुभा, वेलकम टू रेसिप्रोसिटी. और मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है आपसे मिलकर. आपका सेशन मैंने अटेंड किया. इट वाज क्वाइट अ ट्रेलर फॉर वांटिंग टू गेट कनेक्टेड टू यू फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर, एज अ business coach, the ABCD of business life. As a coach, what are your ABCDs that you'd like to tell my audience today?
Okay, so very simply, I always say, from the book Marshall Goldsmith, that is that we already having something in our life,
Okay.
which is like our strength, our weakness, what we have been living with. Even Hazen Moon also talks about the same very thing very strongly.
Right.
So I think we should always focus on what already we have. Second one is B, that is the belief system. Now, belief comes from our own values. It comes from our own trust that we have formed from those beliefs, because we are already demonstrating those on a regular basis. C is nothing but the care, and the D, I would also say, very simple, is be determined on whatever you're doing. So dream big and be determined.
Wow. So दोस्तों, we already A for already, B for belief, C for care, and D for being determined to what you're doing.
Yes.
So that ABCD principally I think it applies to all business forms, and we need to be focused on the footsteps of growth to success. And this ABCD definitely happens. आपकी कंपनी है प्रिज्म के नाम से, where you do entrepreneurial coaching. Can you tell us how the name Prism came in?
Right. So we did a lot of brainstorming with my family member, by myself, and what I realized, that we all have a wide ray in all of us, and in this the prism actually creates a spectrum. If you will
Of
see,
course.
it's a Vibgyor,
Yeah.
but we put those Vibgyor in 5 colors. So we got this prism because every individual has that uniqueness in themselves, and the prism helps them to identify that you are actually wonderful in this.
Wow.
And then when we apply that through our test assessments, and people realize, oh, I have this. Because as a coach, what I realize is, we don't help you to recognize that's your strength. We help you to recognize who you can become.
वेरी वेल सेड. सो दोस्तों, हम सभी के अंदर एक रोशनी है, और अगर उसको सही दिशा में निकाला जाए तो कई प्रकार के रंग हम सभी के अंदर हैं, कई प्रकार के फीचर्स हैं, कई प्रकार के कैरेक्टर्स हैं. एक यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए व्हाट इज इट दैट यू वुड लाइक टू गिव अस एज अ टिप, दैट व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेपिंग स्टोन वेयर दे शुड कंसंट्रेट द मोस्ट व्हाइल डिजाइनिंग अ न्यू बिजनेस?
Okay. First and foremost, it's my mantra. If no one thinks you can, then you have to.
Wow.
Very simple.
Yeah.
So there will be a lot of stoppers. The stoppers will be from your family, from your friends, from your near
It generally
neighbors.
begins with the family.
Family.
So many times I try to do new things. I go to my parents sometimes, and there's like, छोड़ जो कर रहा है वही करता रहे. It happens like that sometimes.
Yes.
Yeah, but we all are full of ideas.
Yeah.
So the first mantra comes from her is that if nobody can, you can. That sounds great.
Yeah. And then secondly, as a expertise into the entrepreneurial journey now, what I always say, that our prism has a philosophy, right? So it's like prepare, respect, implement, share, and maintain. Whatever you want to do, first prepare.
Right.
Prepare anything, like whether you want to become a hairstylist, or you want to become a coach, or you want to become a tarot reader, or you want to become a fashion designer. Prepare and learn about others, what they're doing, and be the best in that. Once the prep is done, respect those who are actually excelling in that.
Of course.
And you have to respect yourself that you have taken this decision, because it's a very important thing. A lot of times we ourselves start putting, get our motivation down and we don't kick ourselves. So respect that.
A lot of people, they think that I want to do better than him.
Yeah, so no comparison.
There
just
should never be a
respect.
comparison.
Absolutely.
There should be a clear respect. Yeah.
Correct. Then the third is implement. So whatever you have prepared, implement. Now implement to the core. Do the best thing in best possible way to your people, and then share. Share is, see, I say that it's not necessary that you will succeed. It's not necessary that you will fail every time. Share it to the world, even if you succeed or fail.
Correct. Why not?
Nothing wrong in that. So sometimes you become a storyteller about your experience, about your narratives. What went good for you, what could not do good for
Go
you.
right for you.
What did not go good for me could be possible, can go good for you.
Of course.
So share that to the world.
Of course.
And then in this journey, there is something that you would have done very good, which is like, could be anything. Maintain that.
So
that's
maintenance is important.
Important in our life. So Prism philosophy is focused on it. So for all the entrepreneurs, I'll say follow Prism philosophy.
Guys, Anubha comes with a lot of experience in her coaching. I'm going to list her link in the description below. If you are a young entrepreneur and you're looking for the right guidance, somebody who can take out the true character and color from yourself, it has to be the Prism Forum. And I would highly recommend you guys to check out her page, follow, like, share with all your friends. And like she said, that it is very important to share. Do share this video with people who you think will benefit out of this content. Anubha, thank you so much for talking to Reciprocity this morning. It was great having you at this show.
Pleasure.
और दोस्तों, अगर आप भी Reciprocity का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं, then do send me a DM and it will be my pleasure to bring you at the forum of Reciprocity. See you next Monday morning.